Hi guys, welcome. I'm Afton. This is Cooking with Afton. How are you guys doing? Me? I'm not great because right now I'm not feeling good and I had to like push my body to make this video for you guys. Alright? I got to upload the video without the intro, but I want to show you guys something. Alright? So keep on watching. Well, today is Vlogtober day 11. Still going strong, but I'm weak. I'm a little bit weak today, but we're still going strong. So if you're new to my channel, I want you guys to know that every day in October I will be uploading a video, so you guys can come back every day and see what nice dish I upload. Sorry, I ain't got energy really today, but I'll push it through. Anyway, today's video is gonna be Guyanese coconut biscuit. Alright, one of my subscribers by the name of Veronica, he asked me to make this biscuit, so here you go, Veronica. I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to make your coconut biscuit delicious, flaky, crispy, and delicious. Oh my god, I done said delicious already. Anyway guys, follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright, and I really hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Oh, what I want to show you guys is that when you put in your biscuit into the pan, let it be, put it in, spread it out thin as possible. Maybe this size here. This is like what, maybe 1 centimeter. Yeah, let it be the thickness of this size. Put it in your pan, right? Because if you do it too thick, it wouldn't be crispy and flaky. So it's better if you do it thin, like this size here, when you spread it out in your pan. When you watch the video, you'll see what I'm talking about. Alright, so enjoy my Guyanese coconut biscuit. See you tomorrow. Okay guys, so this is the ingredients for my Guyanese coconut biscuit. Alright, so we have some freshly grated coconut here, we have some evaporated milk, white sugar, custard powder. In here I have some grated nutmeg and some cinnamon powder. In here we have essence, and in here we have our baking powder. Alright, and we have our 2 cups of flour in here. So let's mix all the ingredients in. Okay guys, I forgot to show you one more ingredient, a little bit of butter. Alright, so let's put in our dry ingredients now. So the first thing we're going to do is put in our custard powder. You can put in your nutmeg with cinnamon powder. You're going to put in your baking powder. And you're going to put in your sugar. Depends on how sweet you want it, so it's up to you, but check the description box for all my measurements and ingredients. Alright, so I'm gonna mix up this together here, and then I'm gonna put in the rest of my ingredients. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna put in your butter. Alright, and then you mix the butter up into the flour. So now I'm gonna put in my grated coconut, fresh coconut. Alright, and you mix the coconut now into the flour. So my coconut mix up into the flour. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna pour in my a little bit vanilla essence, and then we're gonna pour in some milk. Pour a little bit at a time, alright? Don't pour all one time. Pour a little bit at a time. I'm gonna pour some more. We're gonna mix it up into the flour mixture. We'll be back. So I pour my milk and I mix up everything together here. So this is the consistency, like this. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna get a baking pan and you're gonna put your parchment paper. So let me show you the next step. So this is my pan here and I put my parchment paper over it. So now I'm gonna put in my buns into the pan like this. Alright, and then I'm gonna spread it out. Alright, we'll be back. So I'm taking this thing here and I'm holding down the parchment paper like this and try to spread it out till it reaches to the other end. Alright, so we'll be back. Okay guys, so I finished spreading it out on this pan here. So what you can do to get it like a design up top, you can take your fork and you can just pull it like this. Alright, that's how you get the fancy shape up top. Alright, just pull it across like this. Alright, so we'll be back. After I finish, I'm gonna put this into the oven to bake, right? So we'll be back. Okay guys, so I just took the coconut biscuit out of the oven. So I'm gonna cut it up into pieces now and let you guys see. The only thing is that I should have made it a little bit more thinner. See, it should be a little bit more thinner, but anyway, it's still coconut biscuit. We'll be back. Okay guys, so I took the coconut biscuit out of the pan here. So this is how my coconut biscuit is looking. So what you're gonna do is, so hard, cut it up into pieces however you want, right? So we'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the end result of my Guyanese coconut biscuit. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. Alright, follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. I'm eating my biscuit right now. Biscuit tastes really good. Crunchy and nice. Oh, one quick advice. When you put it into the baking pan, put it in very thin. When you put it in thin, it's gonna be more crispier. Alright? Mine is a little fat, but when you put it in your pan, put it very thin and it's gonna be more crispier. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and every day I'll be uploading a video in October and I'm calling it Vlogtober. So I'm so tired guys. Now it's like 1:30 in the morning. Oh man. Anyway, follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton. Follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright? Take care. Bye. See you tomorrow.